Welcome to the unboxing video of LODARK 7-inch Android car stereo. Packaging customization available, just tell us your requirement. Now, let's open it to check what's inside. There is a pack of relevant cables, the user manual, the bracket, and the product. We can see that both ends of the product are wrapped with foam and packaged in waterproof bag. LODARK 8-core 7-inch Android car DVD player, adopt QLED screen and 2.5D technology. You also can customize the label you want. The back of the product includes USB, HDMI, AV input and output, etc., which is very convenient for expansion. Let's look at the cables. This is the power cord. This one is the 4G antenna. Next is the microphone. And this is the RCA cable. This is the 6-pin interface USB data cable, support wire CarPlay and Android Auto. And this is the 4-pin interface USB data cable, support wire CarPlay and Android Auto. And this one is the GPS antenna. Then, the bracket and the screws. Last one is the camera input. Now, let's install the cables.